Ever wanted to record multiple instances of OBS, but you don't know where to start? Well, here's how. Open your favorite browser and go to the OBS Studio website. Once you are in there, click the download button at the top right corner. Here you don't want to download the download installer, you want to download the download zip file. You click it, boom, your download should start. When the download is finished, navigate to where you downloaded your zip file, unzip it, and it will look like this. So, if you want to run multiple instances of OBS, follow these simple steps. First of all, we must locate our OBS exe file, which is this one. It's the application file. You right click it, show more options, send to desktop, create shortcut. You'll see a shortcut appeared right here. We can minimize that for so long, but now here, what you want to do is go to properties, and then under the shortcut tab, find target, and at the end here you want to add a space, dash dash portable. We apply. Okay. Now if you wish, you can rename that to maybe OBS portable 1. Right. Now if you open this, we are sitting with one instance of OBS. This is one instance of OBS running on your PC. Say for instance you want 2 instances of OBS running at the same time, recording at the same time, stopping the recording at the same time. All of your devices are recording at the same time, especially if you want to split them. Maybe for instance you want to record your camera separately from what you are doing, maybe gameplay or reviewing something or whatever you are doing. Let me show you how. You navigate to where you unzip your OBS folder, your zip file. You copy that file and you paste it in the same folder that you created for your unzipped file. It will look like this. Now you have a copy of this OBS over here. What you want to do here is just tap it to rename. You delete the copy part. You move down to where the version number is and you add a 1. That's what I like to do. I just add a 1, click anywhere else. Right, now if you open this, navigate back to where your OBS exe file is. You right click it again, show more options, send to desktop, create shortcut. You will see there's another shortcut of OBS over there. You minimize this for so long. Right click, properties, the same thing. You navigate to where the target area is, space, dash dash portable. You apply. Okay. You can rename this to OBS portable 2. If you open this one, now you have 2 instances of OBS running. Let me show you a nifty trick to make both these instances start recording at the same time and stop recording. Same with streaming at the same time. First of all, you go to settings, you say hotkey. Start recording, you put end. Stop recording, you put home. Okay? Go to this one, settings, hotkeys, start recording, end, stop recording, home. The same keys, the same buttons. Say okay, you apply. Then, if you should press end, both instances are recording at the same time. If you should press home, both instances will stop recording. That's how you start recording, stop recording at the same time. However, doing multiple instances of OBS on your PC, running different devices through your different OBS instances, you will find that there's more strain on your PC. It depends on your hardware you are using to run these multiple instances. It is, however, also a nifty trick if you want to maybe record your gameplay and then you record your camera on another instance of OBS to do some wicked camera tricks afterwards in editing. I will make a video on showing you how to move your camera around while you are editing your video in the next video. But as always, hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned. Until next time. Thanks for watching.